everyone, I'm Adisa, and I will be your basketball instructor for today. I will be teaching you about one of the techniques on basketball shooting skills, which is the one-handed set shot. Great shooter, learning the fundamentals are to be more organized. I will teach it to you in 3 phases. First, the starting phase, the preparatory phase, and the execution phase. So for the basic position, it is vital that you keep your eyes on your target. With feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. Okay. Your arm should be on your side. For the preparatory phase, the ball should be held between the ear and shoulder, and also the elbows should be tucked in. With the same position of your feet. Would be to extend the legs, back, shoulders, and elbow, then flex the wrist and fingers forwards and release the ball at the highest point. After release, fingers should be pointed at the target with the palm facing down. So, from this position, going to
Okay na.
So that's how we execute the one-hand set shot. So guys, thank you very much again for this day. Goodbye.